This is the St. Johns County Real Estate Auction Report brought to you by Vanta Quality Assets. You can visit our site at www.vantallc.com. Investors welcome. Please view our services at the end of the video. Now, let's go to court. At court today, it was a lively court session with 5 properties on the block. Count them 5. First case, 102763. CA 102763 is right here. We have 505 Basswood Court, Jacksonville. The property stats are as follows. Let me bring them down so you can see it better. Plaintiff total is $663,481.25. The market value, tax district market value, is $366,022, and the moving condition is $400,011. High bid was $100. In other words, it went back to the plaintiff, and the banner was held at $447,900. Property's right here. Looks like it has a pool. $447,900. That's what they want for it. Looks like it was on for sale at $395. Nice screen and pool and so forth. Okay, next case. Next case is property actually sold, but the next case is 110292. Let's look at 110292. And the property is right here. Very nice property, has a little pool in it. 909 Grove Park Court, Jacksonville, Florida. The stats go as follows. Plaintiff total was, bring this up here, $169,219.38. Tax district market value is $203,060, and the moving condition is $316,000 even. High bid was $167,000, and the banner was held up at $151,320. I have to say one thing about this particular house: it must have been somebody's dream or something, because the bid was very heated between 3 separate bidders. Next case, 120649. 120649. 250 Nassau, St. Augustine, and stats on this also sold. Plaintiff total was $113,332.47. Market value was $29,930. Moving condition $124,727. That's all over the board. However, the high bid was $16,001. It was 2 ladies. Looked like they possibly owned the property prior. I am not sure, but they were very happy with the sale because the banner was held at $16,000 and they got it $1 over. Congratulations to those ladies. Very happy. Next case. Case number 122276. 3990 Coastal Highway, number C, St. Augustine. And that's what the judgment said. Anyway, at the auction, they mentioned number F. Here are the stats for this particular auction. Plaintiff total is $1,088,576.44. Tax district market value $280,000. Moving condition $436,282. Again, this is according to Zestimate, Zillow. High bid $100, went back to the plaintiff, and the banner was held at $375,000. Note that these are not in top shape. They are beachfront property and wind beaten. I know this for a fact because I know exactly where they are. Okay, next case. So it's a lot of information that I have for you if you want to contact me. 13, case 131257. And this is a complex here. See that? It's in this area here. Inside there's a condo. The unit is unit 216. You can see the estimate here, 141,000. Let's look at the stats. Plaintiff total is $336,615.57. Tax district market value $88,725. Moving condition 141, as you can see here. High bid was 300. There was somebody starting to bid on it, but because no banner was held, the bank bid 300 after they bid 100. So the bank bid 100, somebody else bid 200, the bank bid 300. That person said, well, what's your highest? I did not hear it. However, it was high enough for the person to say, take it, forget it. And that's all she wrote when it comes to the auction. And in other news, remember that trend line I was telling you about, the housing index, that resistance line I was telling you about last week? Well, it's being met today. Interestingly, if this resistance line is broken and this head and shoulder pattern completes, we're going to have a precipitous decline. And technically, by the way, it is just a technical charting, and basically we're going to have a very interesting situation at hand, because at this point the 30-year fixed rate has been going down, and this is a 1-month chart of the 30-year rate. Here's a 6-month chart. As you can see, 30-year actually breached this area, this particular resistance line here, which is 4.3%. Let's look at the 1-year chart. There's a 4.3% right there. Again, we have a situation where interest rates are going down as well as home prices. Let's look at this interesting bit of news. We have David Stockman's Contra Corner. According to David Stockman's Contra Corner, the Greenspan housing bubble lives on. 20 million homeowners cannot trade up because they are still underwater. Interesting, folks. Very interesting. Please note that we have a flat fee auction bidding service where we act as your proxy in court. And until next time, bid well, hats off, no fear.